You got me?
I got you, baby. We were recording. You got it.
I'm gonna put my.
You gonna put your fish getter in there?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Southern Traditions. This morning we're gonna be going on a little breakfast cruise. Might do a little fishing while we're out there as well. We're gonna be enjoying the Indian and Banana Rivers here on the Space Coast. Lots of beautiful scenery to see, so we hope you'll stick with us and enjoy the show.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
We are headed.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yep. Oh man, what a good cruise. We cruised down here to Grills right here on the Indian River, Riverside Grills. We're gonna get us a quick little bite to eat, guys, and then we'll get back out on the water and make our way back north. Should be fun. What you gonna eat, babe?
I'm not sure yet.
Me neither, but this food looks so tasty.
That cinnamon roll flame was really good the last time.
It sure was, man. What a beautiful day to be eating breakfast right on the river. I mean, just gorgeous. Oh man, that just looks so tasty, babe. Look at that steak and eggs, girl. Are you excited? Me too, man. Let's do it. So good.
I am so hungry.
Grits. Must have grits for a southern breakfast. It's just part of life. Grits. Grits are good.
Got some bacon. You can't have breakfast without a meat.
No. Oh, great. Well, guys, we are full. It was such a good breakfast. We are ready to hit the water. So we are back out here on the docks. We're going to jump on a ski and get moving. What do you think, babe? Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah, it was the best.
Good breakfast, huh? Oh man, what a beautiful day, by the way. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous days. The water's a little choppier than I want it to be, but you know, can't control the weather, or at least not yet. This is the famous Dragon Point here in Brevard County. Unfortunately, the old dragon statues are no longer there. Story goes the old landowner built the statues for his daughter to protect the point while she slept. Isn't that a cool story? Storms destroyed the dragons, so this is all that remains. Beautiful though. Traffic jam at the drawbridge. Opening it up for us now.
Hey, babe, what you doing?
I'm trying to catch me some dinner. Fishing these mangroves.
Woo! Get it.
Sorry.
Noah. Ooh, that was beautiful. What you fishing with?
I got an old X-Strap on here in blue. Can you see me? I got an old X-Strap in here in blue. You like that?
Ooh, it's pretty.
Go. Something broke my camera. He'll fall in. Maybe he won't. What do you think, babe? Let's just hope if he does. He's got a history of falling in.
That's right. I'm gonna have to get you back for dunking me in the pool. Maybe you just going in today, babe. What do you think? You guys, right where it was supposed to go. Will it catch us a fish? Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Next one, right, babe? Earlier we saw a fish chasing it, so I think they like it. What do you think? Alright, so you guys missed that we had to do a recovery mission a second ago. We lost the lure to a mangrove. We were able to get it out, and we're going to give this a go again. The fish are out here taunting us. They know we have no way to catch them just yet. Look at this beautiful little cove in here. Babe, I don't know what just swam that way, but there totally looks like there's something going that way. What is that? I don't even know. I think it might be a manatee. Oh, it must have been a manatee. We got the paddles, babe. We got the round paddles. Pretty sure a manatee just went right by our ski. He has yet to surface, but we see his wake. Whoa! For show. I'm trying to see if we can get his nose or tail to surface. I think I just saw a snout.
Did you see a snout?
I saw a snout. Sorry. I'm not sure if you all saw that or not, but pretty sure I just saw a manatee out here. Crazy. Oh, is that Mr. Jolly Green Jeans? Do you think he's going to come say hello to us on this wonderful Labor Day? Oh no. Let's give him a friendly wave and see if maybe that doesn't attract him. Baby, how hot is it outside?
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
Oh baby, now they're on the other side.
They ain't gonna bite my hook.
I hear you can eat those things. Is that true?
Well, they eat them up in Georgia.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure they eat them all over lots of places.
But that's not what we want, huh?
No, not really.
What do you think we could find in here? Woo! What was that?
Oh, something hit me.
Oh, let's try and get it. Get it, baby.
Something hit it good.
Woo! Hopefully it's not an alligator gar. Those aren't out here, are they?
Well, yeah, that's over there.
Or bowfin. We always get hooked up on those.
They're both in out here. There might be. I doubt it.
But,
Freshwater.
but we could get a little trout.
I'd like to get trout. That's what I want.
We could get a trout. What else can we get?
Redfish would be nice, but trout would be awesome.
And, oh, tarpon. We can get tarpon out here, right?
Yeah, there's tarpon around.
Ooh, beautiful, babe. Beautiful cast. That's going to get them for sure. I saw it, babe. I saw the swirl. Big fish want the little fish?
And the big fish want to eat them little fish.
It's kind of like how life really is. In nature and the world.
It's like a burning flame when my heart fell deeper. Oh, it's like a burning flame. Yeah. It's like a burning flame when my heart fell deeper. Oh, it's like a burning flame. Yeah. You can't find where the body goes. It's just like searching for a concept that takes you down an old forgotten road. And it's it's been told, and it leaves you there hopeless, to show you how the water flows, to feel the empty hand of doubt is something like a stepping stone. When my heart fell deeper, when I felt troubled, when I felt fever like a burning flame, where the bright light flickers inside. It's like a burning flame. Where my heart fell deeper, when I felt troubled, when I felt feeble like a burning flame, where the bright light flickers inside. You've been a charmer, thief with a heart of gold, but you be the witness with your eyes, and tell me how to believe when you've been fooled. And you see them there, passengers in the body, hope they feel it too. And the wheels that turn open and keep burning like an old steam train. My heart fell deeper, when I felt troubled, when I felt fever like a burning flame. When my heart fell heavy, when I felt troubled, yeah, when I felt deeper than a burning flame. Heart fell deeper. Oh, it's like a burning flame. Yeah.
Out of the seat in our pool.
In the pool. We could just swim right here, but I got a pool at home.
This looks so good, but we have no idea what's in here. Well, we have some idea. We know manatees are here. Alligators. Sharks, alligators.
Sharks.
Sharks. Oh man, so, well, that's a big deterrent.
Good! Alright, come on, pull me out slowly. Slowly!